So from this video on, we are going to read the code and explain the major actions taken under the function step. But before we begin with step, we can have a quick look at the goal procedure. Goal procedure function provide the major structure of the simulation. Basically, it says the whole simulation takes 400 ticks and then we stop. In the middle of it, we will introduce a scenario. The default scenario is rateful. We will set interest rates to 3. Then we can step. Step is the major function, include all the functions, all the actions of all the agents need to take. So every goal, we will make one step. Go forever, step forever. Then there's 2 conditions to stop the simulation before the 400 ticks. That is, when there's no longer having any owners left, we stop. No more houses left, stop. And then we update all the plots automatically, and we count the time, advance the clock. That is the goal procedural structure. Now let's begin our step. The first action to take in the step function is to count how many owners we have in this world. And then we need to transform interest per year to interest per tick with this function. The understanding of this function has already been explained in another video previously, so I'm not going to repeat that now. It's relatively an easy formula. And then we can introduce some cyclical variation to the interest per tick. Given cycle strength is greater than 0, and then we can use this formula to add cyclical variations to the interest per tick. How does this cyclical factor or variation would look like? Let's have a look at the interface. Right now we set up the whole simulation and then we make it go. Watch this interest per tick. On the x-axis we have ticks, y-axis we have percentage of interest rates per tick. And so far the value, the interest per tick is varying from 0.71 to 0.79. So it is up and down like sine wave. Okay, actually it is a sine wave according to its formula. So this is the cyclical variation we introduce into interest per tick. How did we create this plot? This one is called monitor. Very easy. We just select the monitor. We write in the variables we want to report. Okay, we want to report interest per tick, but we don't want its real value. We want its value in terms of percentage. Therefore, we multiply by 100. And then in the name, we can put a percentage symbol here. Then we can set decimal places. We can set the font size. And for the plots, we just need to use the plots and give a name. We don't need to set the maximum and minimum, so that it will automatically set the maximum value and the minimum value for us. So this is auto scale, okay? This is important, auto scale. And then we need to plot the thing. The value we're going to plot is interest per tick, but also multiply 100 times because we want percentage. That's it. That's how we plot this monitor and the plots up here.